way to increase something by a certain percentage is to multiply it by just one factor. Okay, so for example, if you were trying to increase something by 20%, the easiest way to do it is to think of as 20%. Well, if you think of 100% plus 20%, then that comes out as 120%, which is the same as a decimal as 1.2. So if you multiply something by 1.2, that will increase it by 20%. Now in this case, we have got 100% plus 7.5%. So if you add those two together, you've got 107.5%. And as a decimal, if we just move the decimal point 2 places left, we've got 1.075. So if we want to increase something by 7.5%, well, we're starting with 15,000 rupees. If you multiply that by 1.075, it'll give you the direct answer, which comes out as 16,125 rupees. Right, second question here. If we read the question carefully, this girl, Priya, is investing money at an interest rate of 8% per year. And we are told that at the end of the year, the interest she's received is 1,800 rupees. So that 8%, it means that her 8% is equivalent to, or is the same as 1,800 rupees. And that is the interest. Right, let's have a go then. We want to work out the value of her investment, not just the interest. But if we can work out the interest, then we should be able to work out what she had originally. Okay, so 8% is 1,800 rupees. If we want to work out what 1% is, then we divide that by 8. And so we also divide the 1,800 rupees by 8. And we end up with 225 rupees. Okay, now what that means is that her original investment, which would be 100%, so if you like 8% of her original investment was the 800 rupees, 100%, then if we just times that by 100, we're going to get 22,500 rupees, because we're going to multiply it on that side also by 100. But let's be careful here. The question doesn't ask us for the value of her original investment. It asks for the value of her what she's got after that year. So we can either do it by adding the 1,800, probably do it like that, so we could do the 22,500, which is what she had originally, plus the 1,800 rupees. Or another way of doing it is you could do the 22,500 rupees and multiply it by 1.08. Either way, you are going to end up with 24,300 rupees.